Good morning, my dear children. This is P. Vasantakumar, social teacher from DAV High School, SDSTPS, AP Genco, Naltur. In this video, we shall learn major rivers in India. Well, major rivers in India can be divided into Himalayan rivers and the rivers of Indian Plateau. The major Himalayan rivers are River Ganga, River Brahmaputra, and River Indus. Dear children, these are not just rivers, they are river system. River Ganga, longest and most important river to India, it is 2525 km long and it flows through the states of Uttarakhand, Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, Jharkhand and West Bengal. River Ganga, most sacred river to Hindus, it is also a lifeline to millions of Indians and depend on their daily needs. River Ganga originates from Gangotri glaciers at Gomukh. The headwater of Ganga is known as Bhagirathi and it joins river Alaknanda at Devaprayag, and from here the river is known as Ganga. Yamuna is the second largest tributary of Ganga. River Yamuna originates at Yamunotri and joins in Ganga at Allahabad. It is the longest river in India which doesn't directly flow into the sea. The important rivers are joining to Ganga from the north are Ghagra, Gandak and Kosi. River Ghagra is the largest tributary of Ganga. The rivers joining Yamuna from the south are Chambal, Sindh, Betwa, Son joins River Ganga. In West Bengal, River Ganga joins by Mayurakshi and Damodar. Coming to the next river, River Indus. Well, River Indus is 3180 km long and this makes it one of the longest rivers in Asia. The river originates in the western part of Tibetan Plateau in the vicinity of Mount Kailas and Lake Manasarovar. The river passes to Jammu and Kashmir. Before joining into the Arabian Sea, it passes through Pakistan. This Indus River is the longest river and a national river to Pakistan. River Sutlej is the largest tributary of River Indus. It originates from Rakshasthal Lake in Tibet. This river flows through the states of Himachal Pradesh, Punjab and joins in River Indus in Pakistan. The tributary of Indus are Jhelum, Chenab, Ravi, Beas. The next important Himalayan river is Brahmaputra. River Brahmaputra is one of the major rivers of Asia which flows through China, India, Bangladesh. This river is 3848 km long. River Brahmaputra is also known as in Tibet Tsangpo. It originates on the Chamayung Dung glaciers located on the northern side of Himalayas in Tibet. This river Brahmaputra enters in India in the state of Arunachal Pradesh where it is called Siang. In Assam, the river is called Brahmaputra. In Bangladesh, the Brahmaputra joins by the river Teesta when it is known as Jamuna. Later on, it merges with lower Ganga called a river Padma. In the final part, the river is called Meghana. Now, the main tributaries of Brahmaputra are river Teesta, river Dubiri, river Manas, river Subansiri, river Lohit, river Dibang, river Dhanasiri, river Kopili, and river Meghana. Now, the important rivers of Indian Plateau are Mahanadi, Godavari, Krishna, Kaveri, Narmada, and Tapi. We will learn these rivers in detail. Coming to the central part of India is river Narmada. It is the longest westward flow of India. The river is 1312 kilometers long. River Narmada originates from Amarkantak Plateau near Michael Range. It is fifth longest river in the Indian subcontinent and third longest river that entirely flows within India after rivers Godavari and Krishna. This river lies between two mountain ranges, that is Vindhya Range and Satpura Range. So we can say river Narmada flows through and narrow course that found between these two mountain ranges. River Tapi is the second longest westward flows of India. This river originates from Mahadev Hills near Multai. This river is 724 kilometers long. River Mahi and river Sabarmati are other important rivers of Gujarat. River Mahi originates from Vindhya Range. River Luni is the important river of Rajasthan. Here, both river Sabarmati and river Luni originates from Aravalli range. Now, river Mahanadi originates at Sihava ranges in Chhattisgarh. It is the important river of Chhattisgarh and Odisha. Next, river Godavari is the second longest river in India after the river Ganga. It has a source at Triambakeshwar in Maharashtra. The main tributaries of Godavari are river Pravara, river Purna, river Manjira, river Indravati, river Sabari, river Pranahita. Now, river Krishna originates in Western Ghats near Mahabaleshwar in Maharashtra. The main tributaries of river Krishna are river Bhima, river Tungabhadra, river Ghatprabha, river Malaprabha. Then it is Pennar. It is originate in the Nandi Hills of Karnataka. It runs north and east through the states of Karnataka and Andhra Pradesh to empty into the Bay of Bengal. And river Kaveri is most important river for Karnataka and Tamil Nadu. It is 765 km long and it originates from Talakaveri in Karnataka and it deposits into Bay of Bengal. This session has finished. Thank you, my dear children.